Oh my goodness, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. It is February 5th, 2022. I like to say 2022, but that's technically wrong. And we've gone through the last few weeks of what we thought was beginning to be a bear market, and we still could be entering a bear market. But today, Ethereum and also the mining profitability, I'm not gonna say it came up. It popped up. It blew up. It's up significantly higher than it was just yesterday and just a few days ago. So we were rocking around that 3 cents per mega hash range, and we're close to about almost 6 cents per mega hash as of right now. So man, it's a good time to be a miner to catch these days when it pops up in profitability. So let me go ahead and pull up the chart and show you guys what we're talking about. If you haven't checked your profitability right now, go ahead and check it because you're going to be pleasantly surprised. Where are we at? Boom. There we are. All right, so Ethereum is a little over 3,000, and I imagine that has created a little bit of hubbub in the market because the daggone network fees are through the roof right now. If we check profitability, the current profitability is 5.9 cents per mega hash. So 100 mega hash is almost $6 a day. It's $5.94 a day, give or take. And that's up significantly. I mean, if we look at, let's break it down to the 3-month chart right here. January, the 23rd of January, we were at 3.5 cents, 3.6 cents. We've been rocking around the 3 cents range. It popped up to 4 cents right at the end of January, and then it came back down to 3. Then it popped up to 4, 3, and then now we're at almost 6. So is this, the start of something new and something good? Are we going to climb back up into the 7, 8, 9 range? Only time will tell. I do have to say, though, if Ethereum keeps going up, it's looking pretty good. But now if this is just a little pop-up or a trap, as people like to say, and it's going to go right back down, then our profitability is going to go back down with it. But it is still nice to cash in and be here for all those pop-ups because a lot of people are missing out on them. A lot of people that cut their rigs off, oh, I'm done with mining. For example, ladies and gentlemen, let me pull up my Ether mine here. I was doing about $110 a day, and I'm at 185 right now. I did have 1 or 2 cards that have been wonky, so my 3 gigahash is currently average 2.8 and reported 2.9. So I think if I was up to a full 3.0 on my average, I would be right at or right below $200 a day. And wow, that'd be so nice right now. But I'm still not complaining. 184 a day compared to what I was doing, awesome. If we look at the actual Ethereum per day, I'm doing 0.061. That's significantly more. I was doing about 0.042 to 43. So I'm picking up like almost another 20 to 25%. Nah, actually more than that. Just rough numbers here. I'm picking up a lot more Ethereum. So an extra 0.02 Ethereum per day. Yeah, I can deal with that. I can definitely deal with that. So, look, I'm gonna be honest, ladies and gentlemen. I thought we were gonna do a slow grind all the way down, right? Slow grind. That's what happened during the last bear market. It's like every day was a little bit lower than the last. Every now and then you would have a small pop-up. We did not have pop-ups like this, where it almost doubled your profitability overnight. Now, does that mean we're going to go up? No, it doesn't mean we're going to go up, but it does mean we're in a different kind of bear market or potentially entering a different kind of, we're definitely in a different market than we were in 2018, 2019, but I don't know if it's going to be bear or bull. We're just in a market. We are in it. So if you're mining right now, welcome. I'm glad you're here with us. If you're not mining right now, man, I wish you were, because these are the days that it's like, yeah, buddy. Extra 70, 80 bucks a day, I'll take it. Absolutely. So anyway, guys, just making a quick video this morning because of the profitability. Still going to keep up, or still going to have a normal video released tonight. gonna be doing a couple things. So yeah. Anyway, peace out. Y'all have a good one. Let me know if you noticed the profitability or if you just saw it right now. Comment down below. Other than that, I'll see you on the next one. Later, guys. Peace.